remember, just want to make sure I got everything working. Okay. So I have my vector u, I have my vector v, and then as well as I went up with the formula for the dot product, just remember. But remember, the dot product produces a scalar, does not produce a vector. Very important, a lot of students sometimes forget. And remember that dot represents the dot product, not multiplication. There's your formula. Component 1 times component 2 plus component 2 times times component 2. Okay, so what happens if I do the dot product of a vector by itself? Well, let's go and take a look. So basically, I have my vector v, which is negative 3i. Oops, sorry. Let's just write this. Let's write this in components. Negative 3, negative 2. Now let's write below. Dot negative 3, negative 2. So basically, that's going to be v1, v2, and this is going to be v1, v2 again. So we don't really have a u, but we can still kind of do the same thing. So it's going to be negative 3 times negative 3 plus negative 2 times negative 2. So negative 3 times negative 3 is going to be a positive 9, plus negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. Therefore, the product v of the dot product of itself is going to leave us with 13. Now, in this case, we have 3 times u dot product, 3u dot product with v. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is rewrite this in component form. And basically what I'm going to do is write it in component form. So then I will apply the scalar, though, first to apply that operation. And then v, which is negative 3, comma negative 2. So I'm going to want to apply the scalar first. So that's going to give me 12, negative 15, dot negative 3, negative 2. Now I can label them as, so this would be my u1, u2, v1, v2. And then basically I just go ahead and apply them into the operation. So the dot product is going to be 12 times negative 3 plus, actually, I guess, you know what, let's just use parentheses maybe. Maybe that'll make more sense. Plus negative 15 times negative 2. So 12 times negative 3 is going to give us a 24, negative 36. And that's going to be plus negative 15 times negative 2 is now going to be a positive 30. So that's going to leave us with a negative 6. Now, in this case, I have a scalar, but I have the dot product inside of those parentheses first. So I need to apply the dot product first. So I'll write them out again as my component form. 4, negative 5,